What's up, guys? Wanted to do a unboxing of the RYOBI electric pressure washer. I just purchased it probably like about an hour ago from Home Depot. So let's get started right after this. What's up, guys? So yeah, I just got back from Home Depot, and I had actually done a lot of research to see which pressure washer I was gonna go ahead and purchase, and I ended up with this one. Reason being is that it's very compact. It only weighs 16.39 pounds, so it's easy to carry, easy to move around, and doesn't take up a lot of space, which is definitely something that I'm going to need since I'm going to be carrying it around in the good old Versa. So right here, that's the wand that connects to the gun. The feels like plastic, so like a hard plastic. Feels like it's pretty. I mean, it's sturdy enough to, keep around as long as you take care of it, for sure. This is the high pressure hose, which you have to twist. So hopefully I can get some disconnects on there just to make it faster. So that's one thing that I will change, as well as the gun, and that's where the pressure hose connects to, right there. You just take off that little cap, and there you have the hose for like soap, if you want to add soap or anything like that. That's the turbo nozzle. You do not want to use that on your vehicle, so yeah, wouldn't recommend that. I'm just really impressed with how light it is. That's like so awesome to me. Like, I really, really appreciate that, since I'm going to be lugging that thing around. Right here you have the nozzle selection guide. So it's basically showing you that the turbo nozzle is good for concrete, brick, and masonry, and that's pretty much what that's for. Do not use that on your car. It's pretty strong. So yeah, don't do that. And here's the soap low pressure nib. I haven't used that yet, so not too sure how that works out. Here's your 15-degree nib. That's pretty much like universal here. You can use it for concrete, brick, masonry, siding, gutters, house, fencing, deck, patios, and lawn equipment, boat, and RV. It has a caution sign, so you have to, use your common sense when you're using this. So when using it on a vehicle, do not go up straight to it. I'm actually going to get a 40-degree nib and probably even change out my gun. But here's the cord. The cord is actually 35 feet long. Yeah, 35 feet long. So that's pretty good. And here's where your water hose connection is, right here on the left. Really easy to assemble. And your pressure hose screws on right here. From here, pressure hose to your gun. Alright, guys, so now that we got the unboxing done, I'm going to go ahead and set this up and go ahead and give it a try and see how it works. So stay tuned. I'm just going to go ahead and let this clip play so you can hear a little bit of the sound, and then I'll go ahead and explain a little bit more afterwards. So here it goes. So yeah, it's crazy. Like it sounds really, really high pitched on camera, and I noticed that, and that was kind of like a I will say it's kind of a bit of a turn off for me when I would hear it in other videos. But actually, when you're using it, it doesn't even sound that loud for some reason. That high pitch doesn't even come through. I guess it's only an audio recording or something like that. I don't know. I don't understand that. But while I was using it, it didn't sound like piercing to me like the way that it does, like the way that you just heard. But yeah. So as I was using it, I could tell that this nib, this 15-degree nib, is just it's too thin for me. I definitely need a 40 wider spread on that for sure. But other than that, the pressure washer is actually pretty awesome. It definitely does the job, and I really enjoyed it. Actually, it was fun. I've again, because this is my first pressure washer, so it does make things so much easier, and of course you're using less water, but really easy to use. I do want to change out the wand with the one that has a little bit more of a curve or dip to it, so that way it has a little bit of an angle and it doesn't feel like you have to keep your arm so straight, because it feels very stiff feeling, kind of uncomfortable. But I'm just being nitpicky right now. But I'll probably even it's either that or change it to just a hand, kind of like a just a handgun and the 40-degree connector onto it. So yeah, I actually ended up washing the whole vehicle, and I really enjoyed this. I only had to move the unit actually like twice, and that was it. Um, the cord length was not too bad. I think it could be, a little bit longer, so that way I don't have to move the unit at all. Again, it's just me being picky, but I really liked it. I'm really impressed with it, and definitely going to keep using it. And I actually got a foam cannon for it, so that'll be on a future video. Pretty stoked about that. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and you all have an awesome day.